Today in this video, you will learn how to activate the parking mode. Let's do that right now. I want to show you first the screen, and we can see here there is not a little car. All right, so that means the parking mode is not activated. So what we need to do is stop recording. Right now we see the little dot recording. So we're gonna press the OK button, and we're gonna stop there. All right, so we see it also stop. My next thing is I'm gonna press the menu button. Right below is the menu. Here we press that once, and we are now in the video settings. On the video settings, I'm gonna press the arrow right here, and we're gonna navigate all the way into parking mode. Let's keep navigating. Right there, parking mode. In parking mode, I'm gonna press the OK. All right, and by default it's off. So I'm gonna press the arrow and bring it up and down, and you set medium, high, or low. Let's set it up to medium. On medium, I'm gonna press the OK, and it's done. All right, so now we are on the main screen, so we can see the little card right there with the 3 lines. All right, if you see, I'm only using 2 green lines, means I'm the middle settings. All right, so we get low, medium, and high. So you need to test that. So we leave it medium. All right, and at this point, right, I can hit OK once again, right, and the camera will start again recording. Now, how that works, and I'll show you that now. So now imagine your camera says standby now for 24 hours a day, right? When your car is off, there is no power applied to the camera, goes in standby. So imagine for a second somebody goes and hits your car. So this will detect like the G-force, and automatically the camera will turn on, and the camera will record for 1 minute and then turns off. So it's pretty cool because you can see an event after it happened, right? So you can see the guy may run away, be able to catch a license plate, and much more, right? And records for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turns off. If somebody hits the car again, it will automatically turn back again. It only happens when there is no power in the camera. You need to activate that, as to show you in the video right now. So let's imagine that somebody hits my car. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit the camera. And you see that what I was saying? Automatically will start recording. Now, I want you to pay attention one thing. Did we see that little lock right there? Let me show you. You see the lock there? What's happened right now is write protect the file. So that file will never get deleted until you delete the file. And that's pretty cool because you have to make sure if you need to review that file, always stay there. Because remember, the camera records in loop format, so it eventually will delete any video that is not protected. That's the way those camera works. All that camera works that way. They all record in loop format. So now that that's protected, if nothing happened, you can go and write protected and go back and leave it there, and automatically the camera will delete it when it's time to delete it. All right, so today you understand now how the parking mode works. You see automatic now turns off after 1 minute. So that's pretty simple, and I'll see you next time. Bye.